Hello. For those of you who don't already know me, my name is Josh Daum, and I'm the Office Administrator for the Presbytery of the Western Reserve. With the COVID-19 crisis underway, the usefulness of video conferencing and other telepresence tools has only become greater, and I've created a series of videos to give you a tour of our video conferencing tool of choice, Zoom. Some of you may already know that our presbytery was an early adopter of Zoom, and we've been using it for the better part of a year and a half to help people join committee meetings and other gatherings when illness or geography has made it inconvenient for them to do so. One of the things we love about Zoom is its end-to-end ease of use. In the following videos, I'll give you a quick tour of how to set up a Zoom meeting, as well as tips for using the interface once the meeting is underway. During this health crisis, it is imperative that we follow the advice of the Centers for Disease Control and practice responsible social distancing and quarantine. Luckily, tools like Zoom and many others allow us to stay connected even at a time when we can't physically be in the same room together. Thanks for watching.